Why you come all the way from England to Grismet?
I want to find my family. What are you? Do you speak English?
Annual festival tomorrow. You'll have lots of fun, I promise.
You can't promise that. Piotr was right. This is fun. What are you doing?
Having a moment?
Elton John is English.
I know a killer when I see a killer, and she's a killer.
Will blow your mind.
Why you come all the way from England?
Because I had the hiccups.
Участник номер 1. Участник номер 11. Имя Nevermind из группы Everywhere.
Внимание, внимание! Гвоздь программы метания навоза. И первое место занимает участник номер 11.
Молодец!